Oh wow, what are you doing with this giant crocodile? What are you doing? Say that again, you said she's not going to eat you? Oh, the crocodile's not going to eat you? What's the crocodile's name? Frendy. Okay. Even if you went in his mouth, would he eat you? No? Okay, show me. He just what? Just put slime on you? Okay. Oh wow! You're in the mouth. You're right in the crocodile's throat. Oh wow, you want to go in there too? Yeah, he's got slime on him. What did you say? Say it louder. Say louder. Help, you got swallowed by a crocodile. Okay, well, come out. I'll help pull you out. Okay, give me your hand. Pull. Pull. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Grab your sister. Help pull him out. Pull out the crocodile. Let go, crocodile. Yeah. Okay, so you say bye-bye to the crocodile.